In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Hootsuite free trial in just 5 minutes. If you've decided that Hootsuite isn't quite right for you, or you simply want to avoid any charges after the trial period ends, it's important to know how to cancel your subscription effectively. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser on your computer. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other that you like to use. In the search bar, simply type in Hootsuite. This will take you to the Hootsuite website. Once you're there, it's time to log in. You'll use the email and password you set up when you first signed up for Hootsuite. Once you're logged in, your dashboard will appear on the screen. Now, take a glance at the top right or bottom left corner of the page where you'll find your profile icon. It may be just a small circle with your initials or a photo if you've uploaded one. Click on that icon, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options for you to choose from. In that drop-down menu, look for and select Plan and Billing. This will take you to a new page where all the details about your current subscription plan are displayed. Here, you'll find information about what plan you're currently on, your billing details, and more. Now that you're in the Plan and Billing section, look for the option that says Cancel Subscription. This is usually pretty straightforward to find. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on it. But don't worry, clicking on this doesn't immediately cancel your subscription. After clicking Cancel Subscription, you'll be guided through a series of on-screen prompts. Hootsuite will likely ask you why you want to cancel your subscription. These questions help them gather feedback to improve their service. You can select the most relevant reason from the list or type in your own. Make sure to follow each prompt carefully until you've completed the cancellation process. Once you've confirmed cancellation, you should receive a confirmation email from Hootsuite. It's always a good idea to check your email to ensure you've received this confirmation. This will give you peace of mind, knowing that you won't be charged after the trial period ends. And there you have it, a straightforward process to cancel your Hootsuite free trial. By following these steps, you've successfully managed to avoid any unwanted charges and have taken control of your subscription preferences. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.